Today is the 19th, and a package I ordered was supposed to come the 21st. This is a very important package, probably one of the most important packages I've ever had. You'll understand why. And I actually leave for Michigan the 21st, so I didn't think I was gonna be able to install these. Well, I also had a feeling that they might come and I might be blessed, and they came. And this has been something that I've been kind of teasing on my Instagram for a while, and this is gonna be something that's gonna make a lot of noise. I've said this before, a lot of noise, both figuratively and literally. It could make my GT4 the best sounding and loudest 981 of all time. I ordered Dundon race headers. I probably shouldn't have done that because my car is plenty loud enough, but I did, and we're gonna try to install them today on our own because it's Saturday, no one's really open. And we are still at my house in my garage about 4 hours later. I was gonna go to Emelia's garage, if you guys know Emelia Hartford, Miss Emelia, however you know her, and they were gonna like, obviously make me do it myself, but teach me how to do it. But it's a 5-ish hour process for someone like me, maybe a 2-hour process for someone who knows how to do it, and I don't think I have 5 hours today because I had to install an intake on my M2, which that is a much shorter process, I think, and I hope, and I'm gonna be doing that myself right now. Again, massive shout out to VRSF. They are now the sponsor of their 3rd video. One of my recent videos, I was at SSR, I just had the intercooler put in. They didn't put in the intake because right before I had to leave SSR, this was actually a separate package. So now I'm installing this right now by myself, which I suck at, but we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get to it, I guess. Okay, that many tools later, I don't know what that is, whatever. That's my old intake, that's an old filter. So weird, the shape. My car's in front of me. VRSF has launched this as a new product. So this did not come with instructions, and it is late in the day, so I could not text them or email them. So me and my dad just had to kind of figure this out as we go. But there she is, all installed, she's all fitted. Nice and firm. There is the new filter. Nice little heat shield built in here that we kind of had to put together. Everything's plugged back in. It's late, so we're gonna go take her for a little night drive. You might not be able to see me much, but we're gonna see if we can feel a power difference. Could be anywhere from 5 to 10 horsepower. Could be anywhere from like 5 to 15, maybe 20 foot-pounds of torque. I really doubt any of that, but on these cars especially, like I said, in the intercooler video, I felt a really big difference on that, so it is very heat sensitive, so I'm so tired. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we'll go out. I just let my car warm up a little bit. I can hear it a little bit. Listen for like air induction. You hear it, right? I know on some intakes you can get almost more of like a wastegate induction blow off almost noise. This one I don't think obviously does that. But you can hear that, right? I've never had an intake before in any of my cars. I always end up just stopping and getting rid of my cars before. Here. I don't know if I feel a power difference. I mean, it's been fast, it still is fast. I think the biggest thing I notice, I can hear it. Honestly, that's so weird. Intakes make such interesting noises. Wow, it's really hot in this car. How did the valves close? My valves are just not functioning that well in this. Oh, here we go. Broke tires completely. Second gear just dumped tires right there. Crazy. Even like a 3rd gear pull. Yeah, it's really, really, really quick right now. I am very impressed. You can make this car super fast. I mean, I've been in a stock M2 comp. I've even been in, it's been a while, but I've been in Sebastian's M2 comp, which is like 500 wheel. And this, like, I'm not gonna say it would beat him, but it would definitely keep up. I mean, this will keep up with a modified M2 comp. Like, this is quick. Keep in mind, I am pretty much stage 2 plus now. My tires are also pretty worn in the back. So if I actually put like proper tires on it, or even went hard and put like R888s on it, it would pull. Wow, right? That's impressive. This is now a decent amount quicker than my GT4, way quicker than my R8 was, and like, not like my NSX, but definitely pulls a little more like a proper exotic.
Yeah, it's quick.
I'm not gonna say it's exotic power, but it's a big gain over stock. With the intake and intercooler, there's definitely a noticeable difference. It's not 100 horsepower, but that noise is so cool. I love that noise. All right, here, we'll go from a little dig here. Wow. I mean, we spun tires through first, but like still, it locked and pulled. Like it didn't just spin tires. I'm sure if I put it in MDM mode, we wouldn't go anywhere, but very impressed with the power. I don't want to bore you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, the final mods on my M2 are complete. It is the next day, and I was gonna end the vlog, but I didn't because I fooled you guys because I'm a prankster, and we're here back with the single canard GT4 at Cross Creek, Malibu, and today's probably the most packed I've ever seen it in my entire life. Literally took like 20 minutes to even get in here, and there is so many cars. So, without boring you guys, I'll just do my thing, you know what I'm saying? So, last day of the vlog, let's get it. I wish I filmed that. LaFerrari just left, and holy shice did that sound good. Today is officially the day that I turned into Casper the Ghost because it's horrendous light. Hey guys, we're here at a very informative place of work, Emelia and Sean's garage, who are two of the very few people I know who know very well how to work on cars, which is great to have friends that know how to work on cars because me, I'm absolutely helpless, though I did install an entire cold air intake on my M2 yesterday that had 0 directions and was different from everyone on the internet. But I did have my dad for help, but he is about as helpless as I am. Don't tell him I told you that. Today we are installing, finally, which I probably shouldn't have done anyway, but we have the Dundon headers, race headers, no cats, but, which I'm pretty sure, actually, don't quote me on it. This fourth one over here is supposed to be a drone tube, I think. No other headers for the GT4 have that I know of, and I think that's what it's for. These should be quieter drone in low RPMs, and then way louder in high RPMs. We're gonna find out. The car is gonna be ballistically loud. It's probably gonna sound like a cup car. Rarely ever do people do both exhaust and headers, but I think with the titanium setup and these headers that I spent the extra money on to make sure drone was gonna be low, it should be usable. Obviously I have valves, so if I need to quiet the car down and not get arrested, I can do that, but I'm still gonna get arrested. So the next 5 hours is gonna be me trying to install headers. Wish me luck. As car videos go, it's late already. The sun goes down because you think it's gonna take 5 hours and it takes 25 hours. But all the issues we had with that side, this side's almost done. The headers on the driver's side are almost done. We're about to start passenger. We're gonna kind of try to work simultaneously, put the whole car up. But now we know everything that went wrong on this side, we should be able to fix for this side. So I'm gonna get started on this side. He's gonna kind of finish up the wiring and stuff on this side. We should be out of here by at least 3 a.m. I'll get home, can shower and make my flight by 4 a.m. And yeah, I hope that really doesn't happen, but we're gonna get there. It took me and Sean about 5 hours, but he was teaching me.
Like
he was teaching.
I wasn't teaching, but yeah.
He did it in about 45 minutes. The other one, but everything is good. That one's probably way better. This one is probably gonna fall off eventually, but that's okay. I don't have a lot of battery. This is all behind the scenes. So Emelia is gonna go turn the car on for the first time, and we're gonna get the first cold start.
Oh, my pleasure.
Yeah. And I'm gonna do this, and my face is probably gonna make a lot of ridiculous looks because it's gonna sound insane.
Camera back here, man.
Full titanium exhaust, full raised headers. Most people don't do this because it's a problem.
I need a key.
That's loud. And that's a Porsche. Yeah, that's a lot louder right there. Do you smell that?
Wait till it warms up a little bit.
Yeah, my ears are ringing. My ears are ringing.
That's a lot louder.
Guys, that's only like 3K.
It's here.
7.5.
This could be bad news or it could be good news. I don't really know how to take it. But that was with the valves closed.
Oh. Hold on. Yeah, that's loud. That's really loud. You should let him rub here. Who's not driving?
Do you want to hear it to 7.5?
Just like maybe once, but let me go over there like really far away. Okay, this is one really loud rev. Not super quiet, doesn't make any noises. Here, take this, go over there.
Good. That actually sounds really good.
It's definitely better with the valves open.
Well, let's hear it.